Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the rugged radio R1. First, let's get your radio powered up. Find the top knob on your radio. This single control manages both power and volume. Simply rotate it clockwise until you hear a distinct click. The clear LED display will then illuminate, indicating your radio is active and ready for communication. Now that your R1 is on, let's select a channel. You'll use the up and down arrow buttons, typically found on the front keypad, to scroll through the available channels. The large LED display will clearly show your currently selected channel number. With the R1's capacity for 1,024 channels, you have plenty of options to find the right frequency for your group. Next, let's fine-tune your audio. The same top knob you use to power on your radio also controls the volume. Simply rotate it to your desired listening level. For clearer communication, you can adjust the squelch setting through the radio's menu to minimize background static. Additionally, pressing and holding side key 2 will temporarily set the squelch to 0, allowing you to hear very weak signals. Finally, let's cover transmitting and receiving. To speak, simply press and hold the large push-to-talk button located on the left side of your R1 radio. Speak clearly into the microphone, holding the radio about 2 inches from your mouth for optimal sound quality. Once your message is complete, release the button to stop transmitting and switch back to receive mode, allowing you to hear incoming communications.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.